2006 Hummer H3. It's summer. Our temperature reading is 92 degrees. The AC is on the lowest temperature and fan speed number 2. What we're reading in the thermometer is around 70 to 75 degrees. That's a little hot for the lowest setting temperature. So we're gonna add refrigerant, and the refrigerant that we need for a Hummer H3 is R134A. So with the temperature set at the lowest setting and the fan speed still at number 2, let's go to the engine bay. One thing they did right with this Hummer H3 is that they put the low pressure AC port here in front, so it's easy to locate. So start by removing the cover. Make sure you don't lose it. Then connect our recharge kit. There, it's snapped in place. And as you can see, we're slightly low. We're in between 20 to 25. So I got this self-sealing kit or can, and I'm gonna shake it first before I put it in. Now if you see it go all the way up, that's when the AC compressor stopped and the pressure is built up on the line. So don't be worried about that. That's normal. See? But once it engages, it pulls all the refrigerant in and it goes back to low. All right. After shaking it for a while, we're gonna connect it to our recharge gauge. Okay, as the instruction says, spray in at 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock position and alternate the position, I mean. "12 o'clock and 3 o'clock position." And as you can see, when it starts to pull, it stays in this area, the green area. So I'm going to add up to 35 psi. Okay, it's slightly higher than before. Now, I'm just gonna take this off and put in the cap. If we need more, we can add it later. Let's go inside and test it first. So if you're curious, I just want to point out that I have the sunshades up to get rid of the glare on the thermometer, because it's hard to see when it's reflecting light on it. Anyway, okay, I don't know if it's showing well because of the glare of the thermometer, but the temperature inside the cabin is now at 50. And if I pull back, outside temperature is still at 90. And setting on the AC is still lowest temperature and fan speed number 2. If you're still hot, you can add a little more refrigerant, but I think this is good enough. And that is how to add refrigerant on this 2006 Hummer H3. I hope this video helps others out there so you don't suffer from this heat wave that we are having. Thank you for watching.